This is reading lesson 1 for April 7th, 2020. You will need your weather magazine, a pencil, and an eraser. Please turn to page 22. Yesterday, you read this entire article, pages 22 to 29, and you thought about what you were reading. You were reading for understanding. Today we're going to work some more with this text. We will work with paragraphs 1 through 7. On page 22, please write the words main idea in the notes margin. Then draw a squiggly line under paragraph 3. You're looking for the main idea of the first 3 paragraphs here. Then write the words main idea next to paragraph 4. Turn the page and draw a squiggly line under paragraph 5. The second main idea you're looking for is the main idea for paragraphs 4 and 5 together. And finally, you'll draw a squiggly line under paragraph 7 and write main idea next to paragraph 6. And this will be the main idea for paragraphs 6 and 7. You can pause this video at any time to give yourself more time. When I look at paragraphs 1 through 3, I think about the title, the tropical rain belt. I know that sometimes the beginning of an article is sort of the introduction that tells me what I'm going to learn about. I see a word that's happening over and over: tropics, 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 tropics. So I think my main idea might be going to be something about the tropics. Now, what are they talking about here? Are they talking about entertainment and things to do when you're in the tropics? No, I see something about weather, hot and humid, sun, rain and thunderstorms, sun, rain, temperatures. I think this will be something about the weather or climate in the tropics. So that's how I get my idea for a main idea. Whatever I decide is my main idea, though, I have to underline the key details that prove the main idea. I have to have evidence from the text for my main idea. Continue working with the other paragraphs through paragraph 7.